but my face is hot. Florida. Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This lady is interrupting my kick her ass. But yeah, so at the airport right now, got about an hour to kill. Hopefully we don't get unlucky like Zosh and get like 3 different delays. Heading to Florida, going to hang out mostly, but there's also the fucking stupid mask. There's also the Orlando Honda meet. The Honda meet is the name of it, so I'm really excited for that. Good to see Zosh, good to hang out with Honda Pro Jason again. I haven't seen him in like 2 years. Yeah, overall good time. Mark from Honda Street Garage. So even set up a fresh board because we're going to see Matt. For all of you OG subscribers, you'll probably remember him. The guy that I always see while I'm out there, but he I think he's gonna start skating again. He said bring in the board and he'll pick one up while we're out there, so it's gonna be fun.
Instagram, I was like, so are you buying a board? He was like, maybe.
We'll see. My back's broken at the moment.
Yeah, so is mine. Yeah. This guy also has a camera on him. My lens. Damn. Look at him finally getting in the Honda scene again. Finally found his balls.
Finally found my wallet.
Got the fresh Grammys.
I know, the board is the biggest thing here.
Yeah, it is. It's the most important thing, alright?
Then here you go.
No.
Oh, thank you. I was gonna do it.
Minty. Dudes must be like
made him drop something.
Toking it up in the back or something.
Go sit in the trunk. It's not aggressive enough. Wow.
These dudes just don't want to help us.
Apparently not.
Go to the next window.
There's someone there.
We closed at 11.
Oh, you did? Okay, shit. Alright, thank you.
What the fuck is McDonald's not 24 hours? Right?
Well, that was awkward.
They're probably in there like, I think there's somebody at the window. Well, we'll look at that.
We sat at the speaker for like 3 minutes. Nobody came, so Matt decided to open the window and just holler on in there. But I guess they just closed like an hour ago. 45 minutes ago. 0802. Yep. Alright. Just got out of the mall. Got Matt some fresh stuff to set up a board. And time to retire the old Freedom glasses. I had to buy some more. And I got a new hat too, because why not? Oh. Yeah, so just got back, or got to the skate park. Haven't skated, I mean I skated yesterday and the day before that too, but Matt hasn't skated in like almost 3 years. I'm just putting some new bushing or bearings in. Don't judge my white legs. I'm getting my tattoos while we're here too, so fight me. That's why I never wear shorts in videos. But yeah, we're gonna skate for a little bit and then we're gonna meet up with Mark, maybe Zosh, Brandon from Extreme Daily Drivers, and I think Honda Pro Jason's even gonna be out there tonight at the pre-meet for the Orlando Honda meet at Ace Cafe tonight, which the Honda meet's tomorrow, but yeah, should be fun.
Oh, I'm falling over.
How's that Florida air treatment?
It's brutal. That looks
Fucking hell. That's so bad.
No. I'm ashamed.
Hey, I can still do those.
Kick prep? Did you just roll it?
Yeah.
Like good?
No, it'll be fine. It just hurts right now.
Goodness gracious.
Oh, this is why I don't skate anymore.
So skating didn't go too well, at least for Matt. He tweaked his ankle. First time on a board in 3 years, 30 minutes in, rolled his ankle. So right now, we're at the car wash. We're heading to the pre-meet. We're heading to the pre-meet for the Orlando meet tomorrow. It's at the same spot, but we got nothing else going on. So we're gonna go here tonight. We'll go there. I really do like this car though. Wasn't really a fan of it too much until I saw his, because I don't really see him that often by me, but I dig it. Looking all sorts of crisp. And then you got your C8s over there in the detail shop. Must be nice to have that kind of money.
The Honda's getting more attention from the Corvette, that's why. All three of them. Well, the other one, I don't know where he went.
I think he left. Look at you, team player.
Yeah, coming out of the woods.
So, traffic to the meet ended up being like 3 hours, so we decided to not go to the meet, so we're here at the beach instead. We're going back to the same spot that got me fired. So, we're gonna go get just some food, kick it on the beach, and hang out for a while. Ironically enough, this is the drink that I posted on my Instagram when they checked my Instagram and saw that I was at a bar on a beach. How times change. This place do be popping now. Yes, yeah.
Risky W.
What? I work for myself. Ain't nobody gonna fire me.
No, I mean the camera over the water.
Look at that crab.
Camera weighs like 6 pounds. I ain't gonna drop it.
Shell of crab or something.
All right, so because I want to try and get a little bit more community interaction on my page, what would you guys rather daily drive? My S2000 or his FA5? Let me know in the comments down below. S2000. Top down, titties out, and
I can
AC.
fit all the groceries up in that.
I can fit your mom's groceries in my passenger seat.
8 cents. You know how much?
Oh, I unlocked it.
All right, well, we just got done with food. Got some more drinks. We're gonna go hit the beach, walk around for a while, and we'll see you guys in the morning at the show.
Oh, I do need to.
With his cankle, that is very swollen.
Whoa.
Hella swollen. Alright, so I changed my mind. We're gonna end this video up here because I'm gonna do the show as a separate video because I kind of wanted to try and get a little bit more B-roll this time because it's gonna be a lot bigger than the last time.
So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you're new to the channel. Hopefully you've considered subscribing if you want to help support the channel. I do got merch and stuff in the big cartel. Got a Patreon, link in the description. If you want to send me something else, I have a P.O. box down there too. So, anyways guys, do what you love, we do the rest, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.